Hey guys, there are some times when I don't get to it when I'm at my office and I'm gonna go ahead and do many tasks that involve me to having moving around all the way to the city. And I think that it's nice because there ain't times that I get to it and I just received this electric lunchbox for living purposes. I think that it's really nice because you can just plug it into the electrical cigarette lighter for your car with this connector right here. Just this one, take this into the cigarette lighter, and then just upon the proper unit, okay, like this. And when I'm turning on my car, I'll show you. And when I connect it and turn on my car, we can see that there's a little LED that turns on, meaning that it's working. And now I can just go ahead and drive around, do my task, and it will be getting hot and ready to eat while I'm outside. Another thing that it's nice is that I get a set of cuddly so I can eat on the go, which I think that it's really, really nice. So let's just wait until my food is hot. I'll be driving around and doing some tasks, and I'll be ready to eat in a couple of minutes. Come on. As I've said, it's quite nice that you can just have it plugged in and don't have to worry if it will be hot when you're ready, because you can just leave it right there at your car, and once you're done with your task, it will be nice and warm, which I think that it's really, really nice. The package includes this set of cuddly, 2 sets of power cord, one for the wall and the other for the car, the instruction manual, the main unit, and we get different kind of toppers. One that it's kind of like for fruit, and 2 that are collapsible with lids, and the main bag. Okay, so now I'm back at my office. It's been like an hour approximately, and I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in. It actually feels hot all the way around, but it doesn't burn. It just feels like a nice temperature, and we can see in here with the bulb that it has a little bit of moist. Okay, and let's open it up. You can see now it's ready. It's cut too with some rice, and what I like about this set is that it includes some cuddle, okay? Which I think that it's really, really nice. That way, when you are just ready to go, take everything out and start eating, which I think that it's great. So overall, I think that it's really nice. It's really easy to use. As I've said, I like that it comes with the collapsible toppers and the cup and everything like that, which I think that it's great. And overall, I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.